The sound of sawing rang out in the Norwegian jungle, a fierce echo emanating from giant trees under attack from talented sawyers. This is the daily work of hundreds of workers here, overcoming dangers to collect firewood for their families to fight the cold winter. Today we will tell you a story about the famous sawyers in a certain village exploiting wood to collect firewood. Their family lives on a high, cold mountain. You know the bottom. According to Norwegian statistics, 1.2 million households heat with wood. They burned 1.1 million tons of wood in 2016 to provide 5.34 TTU. As a result, the amount of wood in the area surrounding that village is gradually decreasing. Therefore, the village sawyers have to go to other remote mountain areas to collect firewood. We had to be away from our families for many days, spending the night in the mountains in extremely harsh weather. We make friends every day with the style MS-881 chain, saw the most powerful chainsaw in the same style line. This sharp machine helps me overcome all difficulties during work. I believe that every time they cut down a giant tree on a high mountain will be an unforgettable memory for them. You are watching the scene where they cut down an oak tree that is nearly 200 years old, 40 meters high. This extremely difficult job sometimes even threatens their lives. Or sometimes they even have to climb up to 20 m high to cut tree branches before cutting down the entire tree to avoid affecting the surrounding area. At that time, they were required to wear safety equipment. But thanks to the style MS-881 saw weighing 8.9 kilograms, although it is the heaviest in the style line, it is still easy to use and transport with people quickly moving away every time a tree falls. In particular, in harsh working conditions, the machine's mass helps minimize vibration and fatigue for the user. After cutting down the tree, for ease of transportation, they often prune small branches around the tree. This helps reduce weight and creates a flat surface, making it easier to move and transport the wood. After pruning the branches, they continue to saw the tree into smaller pieces suitable for the size of the truck. This helps optimize vehicle capacity and keep deliveries running efficiently. These small logs are also easily stacked and arranged on vehicles, helping to increase safety during transportation. They don't waste any of the branches that were cut off. Using homemade choppers, those tree branches are quickly crushed and then bagged. They will bring it back for starting fires or other purposes when needed. When they achieve the desired amount of wood, they are also very happy because they are ready to return to their families. They quickly filled the trucks with wood and prepared to move. Despite its simple design, this wood-filled vehicle easily overcomes all difficult terrains, whether steep slopes or bumpy roads, ensuring safety for our return journey. Returning home with indescribable happiness before enjoying your own achievements is the step of processing firewood. Using simple homemade machines, together we turned logs into small sheets of firewood. These machines are small, but they deliver formidable performance, making the job a snap. Every time they come back from such a long trip, we bring back a large amount of firewood for their family that can be used continuously for 10 consecutive days. The smiles of their wives and children are the ultimate happiness of workers like them.
High-speed chainsaws are an extremely effective tool in the wood industry, helping to increase productivity with the ability to cut quickly and accurately. The fast processing ability of the high-speed chainsaw reduces working time, increases production capacity, and reduces labor effort, making the woodworking process more efficient. With so many types of modern chainsaws today, it is difficult to choose the chainsaw with the fastest cutting speed. But this Echo CS440 chainsaw is currently the most popular machine. For industries that require precision and accuracy, this is an indispensable choice to ensure the desired results are achieved. In addition to high speed, it also provides precision in cutting wood, minimizing loss and creating a high-quality final product. For products before being delivered to users, stores will let them test them first. This Stihl MS280C saw is fast, it feels light and cuts through wood like butter. If trees like this are not pruned at the right time, they will fall during the dry season and can be very dangerous. Its radius is about 50 centimeters, and it is difficult to cut them with tools other than a chainsaw. The reason chainsaws are popular is because they are convenient to work with and can handle many different situations. Number 13. In the US, they even have chainsaw cutting competitions like this. I love watching loggers do their job, but it's sad to see a big old redwood tree cut down. This tree cutting job is also very dangerous. Only those who work in the profession can understand this difficulty. This is the best type of firewood today. We should own a machine like this so we can easily cut them. That saw is so big, it makes a 50-inch bar look like a 28-inch bar. This is a great way to cut trees to make a fire, save it for when needed. To be able to cut down large trees, workers require a lot of experience to handle difficult cases. If you see a person cutting a tree, stay away from it because it may fall on you, which is very dangerous. Its rotation speed is 4,000 revolutions per minute. At this speed, no tree can withstand it. These adaptable tools have developed over time, integrating advanced attributes like ergonomic designs, advanced fuel efficiency, and improved safety mechanisms. Share your thoughts on which chainsaw you believe is the quickest. Kindly support us by liking, sharing, and subscribing to the channel. We'll see you in the next video.
Thanks for watching our video until the end. What impressed you the most? If you have any suggestions, please leave a comment below. We appreciate your feedback to enhance our future videos. Don't forget to click like, share, and subscribe for the latest updates from us. Thank you very much and see you soon.